Today's trade secret's not so much of a tip as it is a dose of inspiration. My friend and colleague Mamie Minch, who runs Brooklyn Lutherie in Brooklyn, New York, along with her business partner Chloe Swantner, put on a ukulele camp this summer for girls to build their own ukulele. And StewMac sent them these ukulele kits that we have with all the parts, plans, and instructions, and with Mamie to teach them, they can't go wrong. Check it out.
I was thinking about myself as a young person, interested in working with tools and building. Probably was because that was happening in the house around me. I wasn't scared of tools, and it was a thing that was accessible to me. So I just thought, wouldn't it be cool if some girls at this age, between 10 and 13, being capable with tools, working power tools without fear, kind of just knowing how to do things and having a strong sense of your own skill set. And if they were to want to do it as a hobby or as a profession, they can. You know, other women do it. I wanted them to see women holding space as professionals in a shop environment. Something kind of interesting, the tops are two pieces glued together. So what they do, it's called book matching. When you see a really fancy guitar, it's really obvious. They'll take one piece of wood, slice it in half, and open it like a book. Then they'll glue it together. It's the same on one side as it is on the other. It's cool, right? And when I put this color on, the only thing that I care about, the only thing that I'm controlling, is to be even. I'm not rushing, but I'm just make sure to keep moving.
Something that I noticed right away is that all of these girls wanted instantly to do it. Like, so eager.
Parts of it are like a little tedious. Like yesterday we spent the whole day sanding it, but it was still fun.
So much fun.
It's paying off.
Yeah.
They were concerned about different things than I thought they would be. They were more perfectionist than I thought they would be, which was really interesting.
It's like not really showing up the blue.
We're gonna do 2 layers.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wait, should I do black? Sure.
Tough decision.
I'm waiting for this coat to dry so that I can do another coat. And then maybe another if it still looks pink.
Over here when I was building it, I got a little crack, but we used this like putty stuff to fill it up. So these edges aren't as beautiful, but still look pretty cool.
Did you miss any bits? All right. Why I felt like it was important for girls this age to be exposed to this is I want them to know it's something that's available to them. I want them to know that they can use tools, that they can do it safely, that they can feel like it's something that's in their purview. And then give girls a chance to work with people who are pros.
Right, you know, in 7th grade they had the girls go to sewing class. I hated it. And all the boys were in the wood shop, right? But I did have the advantage of growing up with 4 brothers. My father was a carpenter. You know, I was around tools.
A friend of mine opened a guitar shop, and I was like, wait a second. Could I hang out? Would you show me how to do these things? Yeah, please learn how to do this refret. Like, my hands are tired. And it was a definite.
It's cool that it's all girls because I feel like when you think of like using tools and stuff, sometimes you just think about boys because it's kind of the stereotype. So it's really cool that it's like all girls.
Sometimes, you know, an experience that you have may have an immediate impact, and other times it may be kind of down the road where you begin to think about what you've done, what you've experienced, and what you liked, and how it affected what you did in the future. I think they already are very excited, and I think once the uke gets its strings, I think it's going to be, you know, a pretty amazing experience for them. Yeah.
You got under and away from us. Under? Yeah. You got it slowly going. So you can see. So it wants to.
Wait, okay, so you tie it like this. Is this one?
More.
Okay,
that's good. Yes! I think the arts are so important, and music in particular, because everybody can participate in music. Something you can do with your friends, you can do it with people you don't know. So it's a point of connection. and it's fun, and I think that the world needs more fun.
For me, music is kind of like a way to express myself. Like when I'm feeling bad or something, I just, go in my room and write a song. And even if it's like really crappy, it just kind of helps me get what I'm feeling out.
It kind of brings people together in a way. Like there's a lot of just like happiness and nice things that revolve around music, which makes it really important because there's a lot of like really stressful things and annoying things in the world. So.
Everyone deserves fun. Everyone deserves self-expression. Everyone deserves connection. Everyone deserves music. And a story.
I've never built an instrument before, and that makes it really cool.
Do you like how it turned out?
Yeah, I really like it.
Does it feel like you could do it again?
Yeah, I could do it again.
You could?
I never really thought about making / fixing instruments, but like after doing it for this week, I like really actually enjoyed doing it.
So it wasn't grueling work all day?
No, I mean we worked a lot all day, but it wasn't super tedious and hard. It was really fun because I've never gotten to actually make an instrument before.
It's tough at that age because you're figuring out just the very beginnings of who you are and what you like, and knowing that you can do it because of, and that you're not going to have to do it in spite of, is all the difference.